Good morning dear students, welcome to the English class with Anuja Agrawal. So here I am again and I am going to explain a very interesting lesson of your syllabus, The First Pup, written by Ranjit Lal. Students, Ranjit Lal was born in Kolkata and he has written fiction and non-fiction both for children and adults. So before explaining the chapter, I just want to introduce you about the theme of the lesson. Student, this lesson is about the pup Bambi. Bambi is the main character in the chapter. The whole story revolves around Bambi. Ranjit Lal, the author of the lesson, he has a pet named Bambi. Mala and Meena both are the sisters of Ranjit Lal. So in this lesson, the writer is explaining that if you have a pup, if you have a pet in the family, it is not an easy task. You have to be extra careful and a loving master all the time. If you have a pet in the family, you have to be sensitive to its needs and you have to understand its language. So the writer and his family made some bringing a mistake with Bambi. The writer is discussing through the lesson what mistakes they have committed and what are the incidents that related to Bambi, what Bambi committed. That through the lesson the writer is explaining all those things. So first, students, you all must be having the book. So I am explaining according to the page. So that on first page, the writer was saying what are the incidents that happened in the family related to Bambi. The writer is explaining all those things. Firstly, the writer is saying that if you have a pet in the family, it is just like an addition. Like a small baby comes to your family and the whole family is connected to that small baby, or if you have a pet in the family, the whole family is connected with that pet. Same case with Bambi. When Bambi arrived in the family, the whole family was involved with the Bambi. And Bambi was just like a small baby. That's why she wants to check the edibility of each and everything. Like that she wants to check the edibility of shoes, of socks, that shoes, socks and books, chairs legs, tables legs. So she wants to check edibility. She chewed. She was in the habit of chewing each and everything. And books were partially pulped when the author sometimes and his sister that they used to open the books, they were partially pulped because Bambi was in the habit of chew everything here and there. So, and one more habit that Bambi had, that she was in the habit to put her pretty face into the electric socket, into the open electric socket. So it was a dangerous thing. If she is putting her face into the electric socket, it can be dangerous anytime. So the writer and the family, they have to be completely watchful and attentive if Bambi was waking up. They have to be extra cautious all the time. If Bambi is waking up, they have to be extra cautious. So once Bambi, what she did, once she swallowed, Bambi swallowed a large chunk of her own collar. She swallowed it. The results can be disastrous, but by the by the grace of God, she that had a vomiting sensation. They were thinking, the writer and the family, they were thinking that she might have been operated, but by the God grace, she had vomiting sensation and she vomited here and there, and the large chunk of the collar, it came out from the throat of the Bambi. So this mistake Bambi committed, but she never learned any lesson from her mistakes. Again she repeated the same mistake when she swallowed, when she ate a half a kilo butter. Somebody in the family that left the door of the fridge ajar, partially opened, and Bambi took that packet of butter. It was just a half a kilo butter. She took the whole butter, she ate the whole butter, and consequently she fell ill. It was the worst thing. And when the family see that the packet of butter, the wrapper of the butter, it was completely clean because she ate the whole butter, and as a result, consequently, she fell ill. And next day she was roaming here and there. She was completely she was not feeling well. She was trying to vomit. That any time it can be there that she was trying to vomit, and she fell ill. But she never learned anything from her mistake of her previous mistakes. But Bambi never learned anything from her previous mistake. The writer is saying that she repeated this performance when a kadhai full of oil in which kebabs had been fried she had also discovered that waste paper basket, you can say dustbins, were the interesting place to put her face into, and her investigations would have unexpected and startling consequences. The results were amazing. The result was full of surprise. One more incident happened when one afternoon Meena's mother-in-law invited to the tea as usual, that all the preparations were done by the family members. For some reason, when they have arrived, when Meena's mother-in-law arrived in the family, the mother went there into the kitchen, that everything was to make sure that everything was okay, and excusing herself, the mother went to the dining room to make sure everything was perfect and to wheel out the trolley. But the writer was saying horror of horrors. The rasmalai bowl was spoiled by Bambi. Complete bowl of rasmalai was spoiled by Bambi. It was the worst incident faced by that family of Ranjit Lal. And after this, the expression of Bambi, they were peculiar. They were just amazing. She was giving the amazing expression. She was sitting like a sorry figure. Everybody was surprised. Now what happened? But the other things were there on the table, like sandwiches, eggs. Only the bowl of rasmalai was damaged, was spoiled. But everything was, rest of the things were okay. And Bambi was giving the expressions as she was a sorry figure. The writer was also saying that feeding Bambi at that was the that greatest mistake that the writer and his family committed, that they all the time fed Bambi at the dining table, and she was not like that. She was hungry all the time, but whenever any member of the family that used to take something, used to eat something, that Bambi was just following each and every action. If they are that putting their face, they are putting their hand like this, they are eating something, so she was following each and every movement, each and every expression, each and every movement. But and she shows that she was not being given anything for the long time. This was the expressions by Bambi. And disposing of the food, sometimes family members of Ranjit Lal, they dispose the food, and what was the best, if you have a pet in the family, what is the best way to dispose the food if you don't like that? It was, you are just giving that food to the pet. And same habit was there in the family members of Ranjit Lal. If they don't like any food, they give it to Bambi. Again, that Bambi's expression all the time, she gives this expression that she was hungry all the time. Though it was never like that. She was not hungry all the time. But she gives expression like that she was hungry all the time. Because writer and the family, they committed this mistake that all the time they fed Bambi at the dining table with themselves. And same thing happened with Bambi. You can say that this was not the mistake of Bambi, that was the bringing a mistake with Bambi. That's why she committed these things, and she was like a sorry figure all the time. She was hungry all the time, and she gives such kind of expressions. So the writer, at last the writer was saying that they had 2 more dogs after Bambi, they have 2 more pets after Bambi, but they learned this thing that if you have a pet in the family, no more feeding of the pet at the dining table. This was the golden rule. The writer says that this was the golden rule if you have a pet in the family, that no feeding at the table ever. If you will learn this rule, if you are teaching your pet in that good way, if you are training your dogs or other pets in the family, if you have, then it can be better for you and you can have a good pet in the family. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you understood the summary of the lesson. Students, if any problem, any doubt, you can contact to me. Thank you so much.